Hello everyone, welcome back to Rail Brothers Productions. Today we're at Edgelawn Avenue in Aurora, Illinois. The railroad crossing, this is a BNSF line. So first signal, which is the south signal, we got the US&S Model 95 gate mechanism. This one looks pretty old. Then we got a WRS base. We got some Western Columns Hayes flashers. We got WRS gate light bracket. And then we got no bell on this signal. We got Rayco gate arm lights. Got the over here is the relay case. Looks a lot newer than these signals do, actually. So now we're going to be going to the north signal here, which I believe is pretty much the same. Yeah, it's Western Columns Hayes lights. They're all LED, by the way. I'm not sure what kind of LED is in them, but got another US&S gate mechanism. Got a WRS base. Got WRS light bracket. Of course, the dot tag. And then we got a Saftran T2 E bell at the top. Got Rayco gate arm lights. So that's basically it for the crossing. Now we're going to run them in action. Let's take a quick look at them from a further distance. Okay, now we're going to play them in action.